make sure you arrive for this, and you have some onion in your dish. Now we start to cook, okay? You can see I add salt and some onion. If you got a lot of garlic, it's good too. Salt, you can see salt, not a lot, okay there? And you don't mix all this together. Not a lot, don't put a lot of salt in. Also seasoning. This one. Marinara sauce, this kind of sauce, bought from somewhere. Okay, we're mostly this one is going to be ready. I've got some wood and dairy. Pepper, and a bit of salt. This one ready, you can say it's dry. It's ready for my chicken dinner. Also I show you a little bit of garlic and also green onion. Ready? It's good. Right now we gotta clean it up, but here it is, you can serve with rice and garlic. Here you can put some stuff on. You can see that. There you go. The sauce right here is still hot, and the pot and good pot chocolate. Okay, you like it? Okay. I'll move over here a little bit so you can see how it look like. Okay. If you got the sauce, good. If you don't,